Class 11 Physics Chapter 3 Motion in a Plane. The resolution of vector you have read. Resolution rectangular components of vector. The vector we can resolve into two parts along x-axis and along y-axis. Now you will study resolution of a vector in three dimensions, in three components along x-axis, along y-axis, along z-axis. Vector we can resolve, we can split, we can divide a vector into three parts. Here origin we can consider x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. Along x-axis unit vector I cap, along y-axis j cap, and along z-axis unit vector k cap. So I, j, k are unit vectors along x-axis, along y-axis and along z-axis. Now this vector A we can resolve along x-axis, along y-axis and along z-axis. So resolution of a vector A in three dimensions along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So this vector A we can resolve. So it will be ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. So this vector A we can resolve into three components. So this you are getting ax is scalar quantity. So ay scalar quantity, az scalar quantity. So vector A has three parts along x-axis, along y-axis and along z-axis. So this is the component of vector A along x-axis. This is component of vector A along y-axis. This is component of vector A along z-axis. So here this is a scalar quantity. This is scalar quantity. So magnitude of vector A. Magnitude we can write vector mod A or A we can write for simplicity. So it will be under root coefficient of I, square of coefficient of I. So ax square coefficient of square of j. So this is square a y square plus az square. So this will give magnitude. अगर ये रूम है, रूम क्या है, क्यूबॉइड फॉर्म में है, एक्स एक्सिस थ्री डायमेंशन, लेंथ ब्रेड्थ. So room diagonal you can consider. Class 10th you have read formula for diagonal. Diagonal का formula क्या पढ़ा है हमने? Diagonal का formula पढ़ा है d is equal to under root l square plus b square plus h square, length, breadth and height. So diagonal, how will you find out diagonal of the room? By this formula. Diagonal means magnitude, length. Here this three dimensional figure, this diagonal magnitude, how will you find out? This square plus this square plus this square. So here you can consider a, this a, magnitude of a is equal to under root ax square plus ay square plus az square. So this vector a we can resolve in this way. You will remember this is vector and then these three parts, three components, axi and axi, ayj and azk are the components of vector a along x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, and this will give magnitude, means length. Diagonal you can consider. So similarly this is vector a. In the same way you can take vector other vectors. Now you are studying components of vector, resolution of vector in three dimension. The b vector you can take b, this also you can take bxi cap plus j cap plus bz k cap. Magnitude of b, magnitude of vector a, vector b is under root coefficient of I, square of coefficient of I. So bx I square plus here b y and here b z. And c vector you can consider c vector. So cx I cap plus cy j cap plus cz k cap. Now magnitude of c vector, c is equal to under root coefficient of I square cx square plus cy square plus cz square. If vector is given, then we can find out its magnitude. Now x-axis, y-axis, z. Here position vector. R is position vector, and this point A you can say coordinate of this is x, y, z. Coordinate of this point, position of this point z. So along this direction I cap, j cap and k cap. So this vector we can resolve. What will be the component of this vector? Component of this vector R is equal to xi plus yj plus z k cap. This magnitude, this length will be how much? R is equal to under root x square plus y square plus z square. In this way you can find out this distance, magnitude, length. Resolution of vector in 2 dimensions. So vector, resolution of vector in 2 dimensions. Rectangular components of a vector. Now try to understand how to resolve, how to split, how to break a vector into 2 parts. Here this is a vector, force. This we can resolve. ये इधर हमारा हो गया x एक्सिस, इधर y एक्सिस, इधर एंगल क्या हो गया थीटा. तो देन दिस fx is equal to f cos theta, and here fy is equal to f sin theta. So this vector force we can resolve into 2 rectangular components along x-axis, along y-axis. This vector force makes theta angle with x-axis. इधर थीटा बना रहा है एंगल, तो इसका कंपोनेंट क्या होगा fx fy. fx fy are the components of force along x-axis, along y-axis. This is component resolution. अब ये जिसे अगर वेलोसिटी है, ये वेलोसिटी को भी कैन रिजॉल्व. इधर क्या हो जाएगा x एक्सिस, ये एंगल थीटा है, y एक्सिस. तो देन दिस vx component of velocity, तो v cos theta and here vy is equal to v sin theta. So this vector v we can resolve into 2 components, vx and vy are the components of velocity along x axis, along y axis. जिधर थीटा है उधर cos लेना है, और इधर या इसको वेक्टर को वेक्टर फॉर्म में also this you can write this. So then force is equal to fx I cap plus fy j cap. Magnitude, how will you find out? F is equal to under root fx square plus fy square. और यहाँ पर ये वेलोसिटी का just this also you can write v vector also v you can resolve vx I cap plus vy j cap. Magnitude of this velocity v is equal to magnitude the root coefficient of I, ये coefficient square of coefficient of I vx square plus square of coefficient of j, the vy j square. So magnitude in this way you can find out.